There we go.
Day too, windy.
Are you guys ready? Happy New Year, boys. Whoa. Kapow, kapow. What do you think, Ethan? Run! Run! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh shit! I'm recording this. Oh, what the shit? I got that on video. Is anybody on fire?
I got that on video.
Are you on fire?
I'm good.
That's what you call going sideways. Holy shit, I thought I lit the deck on fire.
Oh, they're starting to shoot sideways.
Holy fuck. What happened?
It was war. I don't want to talk about it.
What happened there?
It was war.
Safety first.
Safety first.
Okay, here's a new rule. Jonathan's not in here with fireworks.